Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Science Lessons. Today's topic is some sounds around us. And your learning outcomes are: know that we use our sense of hearing to sense danger as well as pleasant sounds. And you will also be able to learn that sound seems louder if you are near to the source, and it gets softer as you move away from the source. Let's have a look at this. Before we get started, let's revise what we have been learning about sounds. Look at the picture carefully. It shows you different images of things that you can hear in your everyday routine. There are many different sounds around us. These sounds come from humans, animals, living and non-living things. Things that make sound are called sources of sound. Some sounds are loud, some are soft. Going further on this topic, let's have a look. People use sounds to warn others. Listen to this sound. What can you hear? Okay, so what do you think it is? It's the honking of a car horn and some the sound of sirens of ambulance, police cars and fire engines tell drivers to give way. So now you know, whenever you see any ambulance or police car and a fire engine on the road, don't forget to give way, because they turn on their siren only when they are in a hurry, when they are going out to help someone. So do give them way. These sounds help the driver to get alert, and quickly when you hear the sound you try to move away from their way. That's why they use these siren sounds to alert drivers on the road. Ringing of Here are some of your safety rules. Remember some of the warning sounds on the road. Whenever we wear headphones, we can block some sounds from entering our ears. So we should never wear headphones on the road, because it cannot help you or tell you about what's going on around you, and you can be in danger. Remember your road safety rules. Whenever you're going to cross the road, stop, look left and right, and listen for traffic sounds. When the road is clear, cross the road. What have you learned today? Let's review. We hear sound when it moves from its source and into our ears. As sound moves away from its source, it gets softer. So as the police or ambulance or car, fire engine, these cars move away from you, the sound gets softer. Do observe if you're on the road someday and you get a chance to pass by the police car, ambulance or fire engines. Do observe the sound gets fainter or softer as these cars move away from you. We should listen for traffic sounds to be on a safe side, because remember, road and traffic, it's dangerous. So these sounds about traffic, they warn you and they help you to stay safe. Here is your research work. How does the sound travel? And what animals have no hearing? See, we have something really interesting. Do let me know, what are some animals that cannot hear sounds? Okay, do let me know about your research work. Have fun. Bye bye. See you next time. Bicycle bells also warn us about dangers. Have a look at the answer. Did you guess horn? Then you're right.